I wanted to say a few things. It's a bit of a opinion page here. There's a lot of states out there that are trying to minimize the impact of recreational mining, like myself, Dan Hurd, you got other guys, California gold prospector guys, you know, they're all over the place. What I'm trying to get at is there's states that are trying to implement laws or have implemented laws recently that have pulled back on the ability to move more dirt. Oregon, I believe, has either enacted or is going to enact a bill regarding powered machines out on the rivers. So that means no more high bankers, no more dredging. Only thing you can do out in Oregon, I guess, is just hand pans and little river, river sluices thing, stream sluice, which kind of hurts the hobby. It's a hobby for most of us. There are people out there who make a living off of it, of course, but how do you think that I was able to record this video? With a camera, I'm wearing clothes, I've got a tripod, shovel, all the plastics. How do you think that all got made? With mining. Without mining, that includes the recreational guys. How do you think anything could exist? Because you have to have the machines to create the clothes, even if it is made out of cotton or polyester or whatever you want to call it. You still have to have a machine that will actually create the material. That requires mining. That requires ores. So you got your steel, you got your coal, you got your iron, you got your gold, silver, and all the other elements that go into making circuit boards. Now, we all have cell phones, or at least most of us have cell phones, and they require mining for material. But with all the way of going green, it's also impacting us recreational miners. It's just kind of frustrating sometimes. I'm sure you have the exact same thoughts about it, but it makes it tough. I'm glad I live in a state where I can use a high banker, I can use a stream sluice, I can just go out and pan wherever I want to. I don't need a permit to even pan. You just go out wherever you can. That's not national park or claim, and go pan. I don't know. It makes it kind of tough though, because it's pushing our dependency on outsourced minerals. So requiring Thailand, China, Africa, anywhere that has major mining, we're relying on them more and more because we're pushing away the use of mining in the States. Just kind of how it goes, I guess. I might just make this into a separate video, a little rant, but most of the time I come out here, I just enjoy what I'm seeing. My impact on this stream is just so minimal. What am I going to do about it? I mean, I could write to my legislators and tell them how angry I am about all these laws that are being enacted across the country and whatever. The glass, the vats that made the beer, it all requires mining. I just do it because it's fun. Alright, I think this rant's gonna be over here in just a second, so. Alright. Back to digging, I guess. Woo!